Hey guys, today's video I'll be showing you how to do the Shaky RGB intro that you just saw. So first you're gonna want to download a few apps. You need Video Star, Generate, iMovie, and Fonto. All these apps are free and I'll link them in the description. So once you downloaded those, you're gonna want to go to Fonto, click the little camera button, and click on plain images and choose the color black. Once you've done that, resize it and you go down to iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, and 6S Plus and click the second option they have, and then just use it. There you go. And then you just want to add your text, basically like your channel name or whatever you want to put. I'll just put Monster, and the font I'm using is Blacklisted. It looks better, I guess, so I'm using that, but you can choose whatever you like. Just change whatever size you want it and click on move and center it. There you go. Once you've done that, just save your image, save it. Save system. And you just go to the Generate app, and you're gonna want to make sure the output is on the camera, not the video. But yeah, just click on library and click on your Fonto image, and it's gonna look like this and quite huge. So all you need to do to fix it is tilt your phone landscape mode and it should be fixed. And so once you've done that, click the first filter, which is Prism, and just choose however you like it, basically. So I just pick whatever you like and just save the image. Once you've done that, just go to iMovie and create a new movie and add the image you got from Generate. Once you've done that, just click on Ken Burns enabled. Click onto that, do this. Once you finish that, just click on done. Okay, now you save your video. Save your video. So once this finishes, we're gonna go on to the last step, which is onto Video Star, and that's where we're gonna add the shaky effect. So now that's finished, you want to go to Video Star, click the plus button and edit video, and you just want to get your video that you made and then make video. And once that's processing, we're nearly to the end, guys. Alright, once that's finished, you can pick if you want the video to start, the shaky to start at the big, straight away, or a few seconds after that. So if you want it to be a few seconds after that, just want to cut it to however long. Yeah, basically just cut it to however you want. And then if you don't want that, just once you finish all that, just click new and then re-effect. Once you're here, just click on the little plus button at the bottom corner and search for the effect wiggle. And there you go, wiggle. As you see, it's wiggling, and just click down here and you can adjust to however wiggly, I guess, you want your intro. And I'll just click on that. And yeah, basically, and once you finish, you can just click re-effect, and just wait for it to finish. Yeah, so now that's done. It's processing. That's basically your final product. So here is the final product, Monster. So that's basically it, guys. It's an easy tutorial on how to make your intro shaky and RGB looking. So if you like the video, guys, make sure to like it and comment if you want more videos like this or any more tutorials on anything basically. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.